Chairman of Airpeace. Today, Nigeria is signing a BASA agreement with Brazil on, direct flight between the two countries. What does this mean for Nigeria, and for the aviation industry?
Well, first of all, for the aviation industry, you have to thank Mr. President, President Tinubu, for his shuttles have proven to be very, very advantageous to the Nigerian nation. This is one of those shuttles, trying to create a Nigeria for the future, whereby some of these agreements are reached and signed for the benefit and advantage of our nation, Nigeria. So, Brazil is the biggest economy in South America. Nigeria is the biggest economy, biggest population in the whole of Africa. In fact, the population of Nigeria is bigger than some little continents. Now you have Brazil. So both countries are very rich in natural, human, and whatever resources you can think of. It's been an aberration that up to this moment, nobody has deemed it fit to talk about air connectivity between the two countries. This is the only thing that can open both countries up to each other. So we thank Mr. President. It means a lot for both countries. It means a lot for us Nigerians. It means a lot for us in the aviation sector, because this is the capacity we are looking for. When we have opportunities like this, we embrace those opportunities for the benefit of our people. More jobs are going to be created out of what is happening here today. Thousands of jobs are going to be created. Thousands of opportunities are going to be created between both countries. Therefore, we are very thankful to Mr. President for making this happen today. And like you know, Airpeace is ready. We already came here with a 777 to showcase our readiness to honor the request of Mr. President that Airpeace takes over these particular routes and make it happen.